Hello students, I am Mrs. Asha Bansal, a senior science educator with over 40 years of teaching experience and a former CBSE evaluator. Over these 4 decades, I have guided thousands of medical aspirants just like you, helping them to transform their dreams of becoming a doctor into a reality. I want to talk to you about the most common problem students face while preparing for NEET. You have the NCERT textbook, you have the syllabus, but you do not truly understand the concepts. Or are you just memorizing the facts? Let me show you how to solve this problem at Asha Bansal's Science Concept Academy. Let us take a chapter that many students find difficult, that is the human heart or the circulatory system. Many students open the book and see a complex diagram. They get so confused, they try to memorize tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, aorta, pulmonary artery, big terms. But they get confused. They ask, where does oxygenated blood go? Where does deoxygenated blood go? Here is how we make it structured and syllabus aligned. First, forget the diagram for a moment. Think of the heart not as a complex organ but simply a double pump. The right side pump, it takes deoxygenated blood from the body and sends it to the lung for oxygen. This is called pulmonary circulation. The left pump takes the oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it to the entire body. This is called systemic circulation. See, when you understand this simple concept of a double pump, the entire chapter becomes easy. Now, when we say structured syllabus and aligned learning, this is what we mean. We don't just read the book, we build a structure from the ground up. Now let us move to the next step, strong NCERT concepts plus exam strategy. The NCERT book says the right atrioventricular aperture is guided by the tricuspid valve. But for NEET, you need an exam strategy. Let me show how you smart answer writing and practice. We create simple patterns for you to remember. Right atrium to right ventricle, the valve has 3 flaps, tricuspid. Easy? Left atrium to left ventricle, the valve has 2 flaps, bicuspid or mitral valve. Easy now. Whether you prefer learning in a classroom environment or you prefer the flexibility of learning from home, our offline and online classes are designed to give you the exact same experience. You get the same structure, the same strategies, and the same personal attention. So for your NEET exam preparation, remember this. It's not about how many hours you sit with the book. It's about how clearly you understand the concepts. We solve all your problems by breaking down every complex topic, be it in the heart, photosynthesis, or genetics, into simple, logical, easy to understand pieces. We don't just prepare you for the exam, we build your concept so strong that you can solve any question, no matter how tricky. If you are ready to start your NEET journey with the right strategy, strong NCERT concepts, and smart practices, your path is clear. Join the Senior Secondary Biology program for classes 11 and 12. Classes are held offline at C Block, Mayfield Gardens, Sector 50 on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, and also online for all the classes. Admissions are open for a limited number of seats. Call us today to secure your spot and take the first step towards your medical career. Thank you, students, for watching Asha Bansal's Science Concept Academy classes. All the best for your preparations.